welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber J, and I am coming back to you with another video. Today I wanted to do a quick review on this unit right here. This is from the Dashley collection from Sensational. It is the Lace Unit 7, and I got her in the color Money Piece Hazel. It is a deep side part unit. It did come with baby hairs, which, girl, those were not baby hairs to me. Those were like some bangs, just straight up. They were bangs. They were not baby hairs. So I just kind of brushed those and mixed those into the front. So let's see, on the back of the stock card, it basically tells you about this wig. It did come with lace. It is heat resistant, so you can use heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on it. So if you need to put some more curls in it, put some more volume in it if you would like, you can definitely do that with a curling iron or any heating tool that you may have at home, okay? So that is always a plus. Let's talk about the cap. The cap is stretchy. It don't have too much stretch to it, but it does have some stretch. So you may want to wear your wig grip so that bad boy won't be sliding back, okay? So yeah, let's see what else. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, along with adjustable straps in the back. So you do have security. If you do have a smaller size head, you can tighten it to make it fit better for you. So all around, I think this is one that everyone, whether you have a larger size head or a medium size head or a small head, you will be able to wear this hair. Now, one thing that I do not like with this unit is up here, I can feel like some short hairs, and I'm pretty sure the reason why they put those in there is to give it, well, help give it like some volume up here. I don't really care for that too much. You can't see it. Well, you can see all the flyaways though, but you can't really see it, but it is definitely there. I don't know why you would be rubbing on your hair, but if you do rub on your hair up in here where the part is, you can feel that. That's just a con for me. It may not even be a con for you, but it's definitely a con for me. The other thing is with this hair, with it being as long as it is, it does tangle and it does shed. When I brushed this unit out, this is how much hair came out with just brushing it. And that was just from the front of the unit. I don't know if that comes from the color or what. I don't know if that comes from the color. I don't know if that comes from just the regular old. It's just a synthetic unit, and that's what synthetic units does. So you do need to be aware of that, okay? So this bad boy gonna shed, and it's gonna shed a lot. All right, just being honest. Now the parting space was pretty good. I did add some powder to it just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So you can see that. You can lay this unit down with some spray. Also, you don't have to. I did not at all. I just plopped this baby on my head and kept it moving. Because I didn't feel the need to. I didn't wear a wig grip with this, and it's still fitting comfortably on my head. I'm pretty sure if I did put a wig grip on there, it would still feel comfortably on my head, comfortably on my head. Like I said, it's a long unit. You got that area there. You got the back, so it is pretty long. and show you the side. All right. There you go. Here's the front. And let's try to get all the hair in the front. And then you have the back. And yeah, y'all, that is it. I wasn't trying to make this video too long. Just wanted to stop in and give you a quick review on this hair. Like I said, it's beautiful. It's soft. Now I will say that the hair is soft, and see, look at that. That's the only thing I didn't like about this hair is the tangling and the shedding, and of course the little prickly hairs is up here. I did not like that, y'all. But you can brush it out, and in all honesty, the more you brush it, the better it looks. So I wouldn't finger comb this one, although I mean, if that's what you like to do, by all means go ahead. But my experience with it is the brushing to like really detangle it, and also it just helped with getting those hairs that's starting to shed and stuff like that together. So yeah, that is it, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this quick review. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you have any comments or anything, just leave it down below. Please like, share, and also subscribe as well. So yeah, y'all, that is it. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye.